Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to tag someone on Instagram post. Yeah guys, this is so simple and so quick process. Firstly, what you need to do, just launch the application and then click on the plus icon on your right upper side. Then you need to choose for the first selection that says posts. Then you need to choose a post that you want to be included in relating on your profile. For example, we'll go with this one. Then go for the next site on your right upper side, go again on the next button and go for the first section, which is tag people. Click on that. Now you can add tag, and here on the search box you need to search for a user. We'll go with this user, go for it, go on the tick site. In the caption write something, go on the tick again. Then when you get up a finishing section, go for it, just type on the photo, and as you can see guys, with this we have tagged this account person on Instagram post. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. Have a nice day guys.